Hello everyone, I just want to document how I fixed this R9 3090X GPU. Before, the left fan was not spinning at all. As you can see, it's not spinning right now, and it's actually not supposed to be spinning until the GPU gets hot enough. But before, it would only start spinning at all when it was like 92 degrees, which is way too hot. So it wasn't really working at all. And the way I fixed this was to update the BIOS. So I just went to the Tech PowerUp website after Googling XFX R9 3090X BIOS, and if you scroll down here and click on Find Compatible BIOS, and then I went ahead and downloaded the Double Dissipation Black Edition BIOS. So you just click on download right there. Then you have to download the flash utilities, so I went to Tech PowerUp again and went to the AMD VB Flash program, and I actually went to view older versions, and then I clicked on this version here for Windows, because for some reason the other ones didn't have the graphical utility, and that was just way easier. And then to run the graphical utility, you just open up this AMD VB Flash Win, click yes, and that takes a moment to open, but once it's opened, you just click on Load Image, and then you select the BIOS image you want to install, like so. Click Open, and then you just click on Program, and it took about 5 minutes, and it said not responding. Don't let that scare you. It takes quite a while to install, but once that's installed successfully, then you can restart the computer. And by default, the second fan there on the left, that kicks on at about 82 degrees now, which is way better than 94 degrees or 92-ish like before. But now I can also set the fan curves in MSI Afterburner. This did not work before. But now when I click here, uncheck auto, click here, and I can set up a custom fan curve. So I can set it to custom or onto auto now. Click on Curve Editor, then you can adjust the curve for the voltage as well, but I don't know why the Curve Editor is not coming up here. Just turning on and off. Okay, I kind of forgot that you need to go into the settings and then fan to adjust the fan curve once you've already set it. Okay, so then now we can adjust the fan curve, so we can set it so it goes on to 100% when it gets to 80, or we can make it even steeper if we want to, like so. And click Apply, click OK. Make sure the auto fan curve is not set, because that just goes with the BIOS. And then once we play a game, that fan will kick on. So let's go ahead and load up a game so you can see. So now we're just in the menu of the game, and because I set the fan curve to kick on when it's at 70 degrees Celsius to the highest speed, you can see that that fan is now going, the fan's now going full speed. So it's all working as it should now. Anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful. if you have an XFX R9 390X, then this is how I fixed the fan so it actually turns on